special widescreen presentation. I believe this is one of them. Another strange sight, my friends. It's a beautiful night, nice breeze. Yes, I don't know if this will get much bigger, so I better not play my luck. Now, there we go. Change colors. Alright, this is another of those wonderful energy portals in the sky. A half a block from where I live, which I always like and appreciate. I'm on somebody's doorstep, so I gotta talk. And hope you're enjoying the summer here in New York City. The smart people got out, you know. Maybe they went, maybe they're going to Paris to see the Olympics. Who knows? This isn't the most comfortable position, but I've made it the most comfortable. You know, my friend, I don't know if this one's my friend. They're all my friend, but my real friend, the one that really talks to me, I haven't seen him or her in a while. Let's say it's a we. Let's say it has, I don't know if it has a sex. I'll call it my friend. But not making any sense here. There, change color. So I saw a little purple in it. Of course, I've seen these things up in the sky. Almost kind of nebula-like. Seen it change about 7 different colors. There's a moth on the ears. Trying to get him in the shot, man. Those are some of the things whizzing by, but some of those projectiles whizzing by when I'm filming these things in the sky are not moths. There's something else, but who knows what they are. It's not getting much bigger. That's about the size of it, as they say. Yep, I'm on somebody's doorstep. They don't have the bug light out, which is good. So I gotta keep a low profile. So much for the weather report. They said it was going to rain today and tomorrow, and not so. This guy's talking to himself, talking to his Bluetooth. Everybody wants attention today. That's what happens with socialist media. I call it socialist media. You call it social media. train walking down my block. Well, not my block, I don't own it, but it's where I live. My place of residence. Okay, I got a tiny bit bigger, folks. Yeah, this is my first video in 2 or 3 days. I did go out last night. There were clouds covering the whole sky, so that was a wrap. But I'm out here constantly looking for stuff. And I would like to find some things that are different than these portals. But I have caught on a number of occasions different things that couldn't be explained. Some of them I got in still photography. This is mostly in winter time. I got like a light in the sky that was cigar shaped. Couldn't explain it. Try to dig it up in my archives and post it sometime for you. I personally wish there were more UFO lovers like myself and some of my steady fans that it seems mostly on YouTube. It's like dating coaches, card readers, philosophers. Everyone thinks they have the answer, but no one really does. They just all we have are questions. And there's a lot of them. And of course you have the teachers, which, I understand most YouTube channels, people want value and they want to be entertained or taught something. It makes perfect sense to me. I gotta start checking the trends more. I know there's some even more successful. Whoa, what was that? There's a projectile on the first one today. Some even more successful UFO channels than mine. Can you believe it? But they've been doing it a lot longer, and they've got real expensive graphics, and they take a long time editing their videos, putting all this fancy stuff in it. My stuff is a lot more raw. I'd like to get more fancy coming up as my skills are increasing, but people have to be patient with me anyway. I'm working on it. do edit my videos sometimes, but usually it's one shot, and then I just film the whole thing and post it, and you hear my chatter, which hopefully makes it more entertaining, and talk about the mysteries in the sky and in the world. Not too many in the world that we don't know of, but there's the adventurer in me, and I'm sure it's in you too. And I'd like to find it somewhere out there, wherever I have to travel to. Because like I've said in other videos, these things seem to follow me. It's like they have a GPS on where I'm gonna be. I mean, I could dismiss it as just coincidence, but and I don't know if everything happens for a reason. A lot of things do. I don't know if everything, but maybe I'll see that that's true. Anyway, so enough with the philosophy. This video is getting long enough for tonight. It's about 11 o'clock. And please remember to tell your friends about strange sights in the sky. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and we will see you in the next one, folks. Take care. I hope you're great. Bye-bye.